All of us who are watching this video use a smartphone. Nowadays, black hat hackers are increasing more and more. It means there are many chances to get hacked by them. Hacker means an unknown person secretly looking at your device and trying to change your personal information. If you think your smartphone should not be hacked by any other unknown person, this is the right video you are watching. Well, there are some ways to stay secure and I am going to tell about them in this video. So stay tuned. Hi guys, this is Sai from Intech English and today we will make you to know about how to make your smartphone more secure. That's a great question, right? Now before we get started, make sure that you subscribe to our channel and activated the bell icon. Now if you did that, so let's get started. Google introduced full device encryption back in Android Gingerbread. For any smartphone user who needs a smartphone with higher than usual security, most of the smartphones get this option enabled out of the box. But if you isn't, here's how to do it. Go to the settings, security, encrypt the phone. Now your phone starts encrypting. In these days, as hackers become advanced, and it is easy to guess the passwords. So this is where the two-step verification comes in handy. This is another layer of security and this is to be must enabled. With two-step verification, you can protect your account with both your password and your phone. With two-step verification, you can keep bad guys out even if they know your password. Again and again I am saying this, guys. This is the best of all tricks, so you have to must enable this option. Now if you are wondering how to activate the two-step verification, now we will show you. Go to settings, Google, and go to Google account and click on security. Now click on the option two-step verification and after that click on get started. It will ask you to sign in and you have to compulsory do it. So after doing, now click on try it now. If you are doing it from any other device, click yes. If not, click no. VPN stands for Virtual Private Network. VPN is a network that uses the internet to transfer information using secure methods. VPN makes you to browse the internet anonymously. There are many apps in Play Store. In all of those, CyberGhost VPN is one of the best VPN service network. It is the fastest and free VPN to unlock and access all your favorite apps and sites. Install the VPN service and give all the permission all it needs. Internet is a huge place where you can know about various things, earn money online, watch videos, photos, upload videos as well as photos, installs applications and whatnot, everything you can do. But some of the people download something on an untrusted websites. Doing so is very dangerous. The developer of the app which you have installed from another sources can access everything by asking permissions. There is an option which lets you install only trusted apps from trusted websites like from Google Play Store and it is unknown sources. And in this option you have to disable it. Here's how you can disable it. So first you have to go to settings, security, unknown sources. Most of the smartphones get this disabled, but if you haven't, disable it right now. So this is for the fingerprint users. The hackers can find the target's fingerprints on surfaces like glasses or even on your phone to access your device. If the hackers have a strong decision to hack you, they can do it anyway. So I suggest you to use PIN or password with alphanumerical so that there may be only some chances to hack. If you get any software update, don't be lazy to update it. There are two types of people in updating their phones. Type 1, they will be a will to get updates and they will do it fast as they get. Second type, if they get software updates, they don't update even after they get. In updates, they will say release a bunch of new features and some security updates. If your phone is not receiving any update for a long while, go for a new one. If you don't know how to update, here's how to do it. First of all, go to settings, about phone, system updates, check for updates. If you get it, download the update. Losing your phone is shocking and horrendous. If you are wondering how to track it or find it, Google has it for you. Most of the phones have pre-enabled, and if you are wondering how to check, here's how. Go to settings, Google, security, find my phone. Here are some more ways to stay secure. Do not use weak passwords while signing up in any other website, or do not use always the same password that you used in other website, because if any one of those are hacked, many websites that you have signed up with the same password can also be hacked. If you are a person who always forget the password that you used in any website, there is a way, and that is install a password manager like Dashlane or LastPass, which is more popular among many other password managers. And I am 99.9% sure that these password managers will not misuse your passwords stored in it. All you need to do is install a password manager, which I have told you. I will be leaving the app's link in the description below. I suggest you to install LastPass because LastPass is the password manager and password generator that locks your passwords and also personal information in a secure vault. You can store passwords and logins, create online shopping profiles, generate strong passwords, track personal information in notes, and more. All you need to do is remember your LastPass master password, and LastPass will autofill web browser and app logins for you. After installing, open app and fill your details, and at least create a strong password for this and remember it forever. Thank you guys for watching this video. This is me signing off, and see you in the next video.